going to see this film, and if something is important for you, to still make the film. So I think that if to summarize my, let's say, the films that I've made, my filmography, I think that many of the films are films which deal with something. Let's say I think I made a film which was the first film in Israel that dealt with old age, old people. My first film took place at an old age home. And then, I dealt with many subjects which are not, mainstream, especially at the time when they were made, which were, let's say, in the 70s. I made a film about, other subjects which I dealt with, let's say, prostitutes, gay subjects and other subjects. And I think that having come to this country, I think the first time I was in Ocean Film Festival in Delhi, and I showed my film there, Ben's biography, which I'm showing here. It's one of the, I'm showing 3 of my films that I've made in the past. And there was something, and immediately after that film was shown, I was invited to many cities, and I was in many cities here in India over the years, and saw many films, Indian films, but many times when a journalist comes and speaks to me about Indian cinema and says, what do you think about Indian cinema? I mention names of Indian films and he never saw them. It turns out that, there are lots of very good, serious artists.
So I want first to thank you for inviting the film to open the Israeli focus. It's a big honor, and I wanted very much our director, Avi Nesher, to be here. But unfortunately, he went through a tragedy. He lost his son last month, so he couldn't come. And I'm trying to a little bit replace him. This film, The Other Story, it's a work that started 4 years ago. Avi worked with a psychiatrist from the US who told him the story of his own. His daughter became religious, and Avi realized immediately that this story happens again and again in Israel when the children are becoming religious and ultra-Orthodox, and the parents don't know how to deal with it. In many cases, they feel they are losing the child. They feel it's another world, it's another culture, and they are fighting to get their children back. Even in my family, my sister became religious when she was 19, many years ago. In her case, she realized it's not for her after 3-4 years. But there are other cases that these youngsters are building families, many times with a lot of kids, and it's very hard to go back. So Avi thought that this is, Avi Nesher thought this is the topic that worthwhile dealing with, and he gathered many stories and he created this film which talks about secular parents who feel that they are losing their daughter to the religious world, to God, let's say, and they are trying to fight it.
We're thrilled and excited and humbled that Israel is the focus country of IFFI 2018 in Goa. I think, though, it's a natural development and another layer in the wonderful cultural bridge that we are building between Israel and India, and part of the very strong bond between Israel and India in many aspects, from government relations to business relations, defense, culture, and cinema is part of it. So I invite you all to come and enjoy the Israeli Films in the Goa Festival, and to come and visit Israel, see the real country behind the cinema.
The Lachman Achievement Award that has been given for Israeli director. How do you feel about this?
Dan Wolman is a wonderful and established Israeli filmmaker, and we are very happy for him. I'm sure that he is worthy of this award. And again, it's heartwarming to see the acknowledgement of the Indian people to Israeli cinema, coming from a country like India, which has such a huge and diverse film industry, to give this acknowledgement to Israel, which is a very small country, to give this acknowledgement to the Israeli cinema. It's humbling and heartwarming.